Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your iPhone App Store icon to Google Play Store icon. If you're using an iPhone and you want to change your App Store icon to Google Play Store, so let's see how can you do that. You have to first open up your Safari or browser, and here you have to simply search for Google Play Store icon. So you have to search for it. As I am going to search, you have to simply search for Google Play Store or Google Play Store icon. Then go for images, and here you will get different images. You must have to select which one you want to set. For example, I'm going to select this one. Simply tap on it, and here keep a long press on it. Then tap on save to photos. Once you have saved a photo, you must have to go back and open this shortcut app in your phone. If you can't get it, you can easily search it here. Simply open the app, and here you must have to select this add option, and from here you have to select open app, and then tap on app, and then select app store. Once you have that, simply tap on this share option, and here you have to look for set as or add to home screen. Simply tap on it, and here you have to select any image, then select choose photo, and then select the app Play Store's photo. Once you have that, simply tap on choose, and here you have to select the name if you have any option here, or if you don't have any option, simply tap on add. Once you have that, Google Play Store will be added to your home screen. You must have to tap on it, and it will be opened. So that's how you can easily change your iPhone App Store icon to Google Play Store icon. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.